Puerto Vallarta, Mexico, a privileged destination by nature at the Pacific Ocean. An appealing place where customs and traditions blend together. Crown Paradise Club is the best option for an unforgettable family vacation. Experience warmth, happiness, and relaxation in our remodeled rooms and suites. Ideal for family or group traveling, or even for that special romantic weekend. This exclusive resort, located in one of the best Puerto Vallarta beaches and next to the cruise port, is ideal for children looking for fun. At our Kids Paradise Club, your little ones will have a blast at the aquatic park and pirate ship, castle, and toboggans. Or if you prefer, our Daycare Baby Paradise Club, where your youngest children will have fun and learn while playing. Crown Paradise Club offers you an ideal entertainment full program for every age. Undoubtedly, your kids will enjoy it the most. Our all-inclusive plan offers something special for everyone in your family. A delicious culinary section in our a la carte specialties restaurants, or in our buffet-style restaurants, domestic and international drinks, snacks, sports and recreational activities, spectacular night shows, and tennis courts. Here you will find the perfect place to have fun, to unwind, or just sharing cool times with your friends. And if it is about a business meeting, our 5 brand new ballrooms for groups and conventions, some of them with ocean view and accommodating up to 480 attendees, will make your event successful and special. For weddings in Puerto Vallarta, our resort features a romantic gazebo and a chapel, both facing the ocean, where your wedding will be an unforgettable experience at sunset. With so many options to discover, we assure you will always wish to come back. This is the Crown Paradise Club Puerto Vallarta Experience.